Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome back to Hindi class. Now you are familiar about Hindi letters. We have completed R to Ana letters. First we will do oral. Then we will do revision on different types of model for Essay 2 exam. Okay children? We are going for oral. Open your textbook. Page number 3. Open your textbook. Page number 3. A से अनार, आ से अनार, आ से आम, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से इमली. Turn the paper to page number 4 and ई से ईक, ई से ईक, ई से ईक, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, ऊ से ऊन, रू से ऋषि, रू से ऋषि, रू से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ए से एड़ी, आई से ऐनक, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओकली, ओ से ओकली, ओ से ओकली, औ से औरत, औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर, अम से अंगूर. Aha! This is all svar letters. Now come back to vowel letters. ख से कलम, ख से कलम, ख से खरगोश, ख से खरगोश, ग से गणेश, ग से गणेश, ग से गड़ी, ग से गड़ी, इनी. ओके ना. छ से चम्मच, छ से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, ज से जहाज, ज से झंडा, ज से झंडा, इया. ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टमाटर, ठ से ठटेरा, ठ से ठटेरा, ढ से ढमरू, ढ से ढमरू, ढ से ढपली, ढ से ढपली, अना से भान, अना से बान. We have completed written part till here children. So now I am going to show different models for essay 2 revision. Okay children? We will go on writing first A से Ana with a space gap. See children, essay 2 revision. You have to write A से Ana. वर्णमाला लिखिए. A से अनार. Give finger gap. A से आम. ई से इमली, ई से ईक. Give finger gap. ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, रू से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओकली, औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर. Aha. Okay children. Now these are called svar letters. What are these called? Svar letters. Now we will go for vowel letters. We have learned only 3 words. Kh se kamal, kh se खरगोश, ग से गमला, ग से घड़ी, इनी. छ से छतरी चम्मच, छ से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, झ से जहाज, झ से झंडा, इनिया, ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टटेरा, ड से ढमरू, ड से ढक्कन, अना से बान. Okay children, we have learned till here written part with the strokes and activity. Now if you are familiar in these letters, we are going to match the letter to picture after letter. After letter. What are these children? After letter. Which letter is this? Ja. Which letter is this? Ja se jahaj. Ja se jahaj after? Ja se jhanda. Okay Nana? The first letter, which letter is that? A se anar. So after anar, A se aam. ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टमाटर after? ठ से टटेरा. ई से इमली, ई से ईक. Okay children? A से एडी, आई से ऐनक, छ से चम्मच, छ से छतरी. Which letter is this? ख से कमल. After ख से कमल, which letter will come? ख से खरगोश. ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से उल्लू after? ऊ से ऊन. Okay children, these letters will come. O से ओकली, औ से औरत, घ से गणेश. घ से गणेश after? घ से घर. ड से ढमरू. ड से ढमरू after? ड से ढक्कन. Okay children, now अम से अंगूर. अम से अंगूर after? aha. Okay Nana? Then which letter is this? So these are called after letters. You have to familiar of this swar and varnamala, then you can write all this very clearly and perfectly. Okay Nana? Now we'll go for family letters. Kha. See children, this is kha. The starting letter is kha. So what will be coming next letter? Kha se kargosh. Then kha se kargosh after? Ga se ganesh. Ga se ganesh after? Ga se ghar. You have to write continuously. You can start anywhere. Okay children? Ga se ghar. Ga se ghar after? Ini. Okay Nana? Next. Cha. छ से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, झ से जहाज, झ से झंडा, इनिया. Okay Nana? Now ठ letter. ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टटेरा, ठ से ढ से डमरू, ड से ढक्कन, अना से बान. What are these called? Family letters. What are these called Anna? Family letters. You can start from any side and you should go continuously. You should not write here and there. That is the thing here. Okay children? These are called family letters and varg letters also. Now, write beginning letter for given picture. Write beginning letter for given picture. Okay children, which picture is this? No. Is it eek? No. This is chhatri. So which letter is the first letter? Cha se chhatri. Yes, this is the correct one. Now which picture is this? Ainak? No. It is egg? No. It is angur? No. It is tomato. So what is the first letter of tomato? Th se tomato. Okay, Nana? Now, which picture is this? Anar? No. Aurat? No. Rishi? No. It is Aam. So write A se Aam. Now, which picture is this? Damaru? No. Chhatri? No. Gamla? No. It is Anase Ban. Which picture is this, Nana? Imli. Ise Imli. Which picture is this? Dakkan? Tomato? Tatera? No, it is Dase Dhamaru. Now, match letter to picture. Match letter to picture. Which letter is this, Nana? O. O say Oakley will come. Which picture will come? Oakley. So, is it Oakley here? No. Is it here? No. It is here? No. It is down. So, here to match very straight to Oakley. Is that clear, children? Now, I say Ainath. I say Ainath. Where it is? Is it this? No. Is it this? No. It is this? No. I say Ainath. Yes. It is fourth one. Match crossly to Ainath. Okay. What is this letter? Amse Angur. Amse Angur. Where is that Angur picture? Is it fifth one? No, it is first one. Amse Angur. Okay, Nana. Now, which letter is this? Yes, Jase Jhanda. Jase Jhanda. Jase Jhanda. Where it is? Is it here? No, it is here. Very good. Jase Jhanda. Okay. Now, which letter is this? Khase Kamal. Khase Kamal. So, where is Kamal? Is it down? Is it here? No, it is here. Very good. Khase Kamal. Now, which letter is this, Nana? Cha se Cha. Cha se, which picture will come? Chamach. Where is Chamach? Here. Very good. Now, which letter is this? U se Oo. Oo se, which picture will come? Oon. Where is Oon? Here? No. Here. So, we have to take a scale and practice slowly to match. Okay, Nana? Which letter is this? E. E say which letter will come? Eek. Okay, Nana? The last picture left over is this. Very good, Nana. Okay, children? Okay, children? So, that is the match letter to picture. Now, circle the given letter. Circle the given letter. Which letter is this? Ruse, Rushi. Which letter is this? Ruse, Rushi. Okay, children? You have to keep circle in that only. In this circle, wherever Ru you will find, you have to circle there only. Is it true? Yes. You have to circle neatly. Okay, Nana, circle the given letter. Which letter is this? Ruse, Rushi. In this circle, in this big circle, you have to identify Ru letter and circle on that neatly, very neatly. Which letter is this? Yes, Ruse, Rushi. You have to circle neatly. Is it true? No. Is it true? No. This is La. Now here, Ru, Ruse, Rushi. Now here, Tha. Here, Gha, Kha. So where is one more? Ruse, Rushi. Okay, Nana? Ruse, Rushi. Now which letter is this? Kha se Khargosh. Where do you find Kha here? Is it Kha? No. Is it Kha? No. Is this Kha? Yes. Kha se Khargosh. Is this ka? No. This is kha. Kha se khargosh. Is this ka? No. Is this ka? No. In the middle you have again kha se khargosh. Okay. Now here inya. Where do you find inya here? Is it inya? No. Is it inya? Yes. Is this inya? No. Is this no? No. Here inya. Now in the center also inya. Circle neatly. Okay, Nana? Now, which letter is this? Cha se chhatri. Cha se chhatri. Cha se chhatri, where do you find? Thus, no. Is it cha? No. Is it cha? No. Is it cha? No. Yes, this is cha. Now, where do you find one more cha? Yes, this is cha se chhatri. And again in the middle. So these are all the models you have learned from A se Ananana. Okay, practice well. Practice well for this. So now I taught you A se Ana different models. Nana, practice well for essay 2 revision and have a nice day and prepare well for exams. Have a nice day, children. Bye.